Once upon a time in the jungle, an elephant and a giraffe were best friends. But one hot summer, all the water dried up and the animals were dying of thirst. Giraffe, being tall, could see a lake far away, but it was hidden by trees. So he asked Elephant for help. With his strong trunk, Elephant cleared the path to the lake and all the animals could drink water again. They were so happy that their friendship saved the day. All the animals gathered around them and started praising their teamwork. The giraffe and the elephant were so proud of themselves. They realized that no matter how tough things get, as long as you have a friend by your side, you can overcome any challenge. And that's the lesson we learned today.